Hello everyone! In today's project I helped replacing an old clay sewer pipe for a brand new PVC one. The line had clogged up a few times already in the past year, so to prevent that from happening again, it was time to replace the old sewer pipe. The pipe coming from the house was already made of PVC. The connection to the clay pipes was poured into concrete, so that had to be removed first. After trying it by hand with a chisel, we quickly realized this would take too long. And so we tried the rotary hammer drill, and that was a lot more time efficient. We discovered some roots growing into the joints of the sewer pipes, so that was potentially the problem causing the clogging. Then we started to disassemble the old clay sewer pipes. The joints were filled with cement, so we used the rotary hammer drill again to take that apart. Next up was rebuilding the sewer pipe from PVC. We made sure to remove any rough edges from the PVC pipes to ensure a waterproof connection and prevent it from making any unwanted noises. To make the assembly easier, we sprayed the rubbers with some lubricant. We used some sealant to connect the new PVC lines to the old clay pipes. After double checking everything was under a slight downslope, we closed the trench by refilling it with sand. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Want to help creating these videos? Then consider subscribing to this channel.